Hi everyone. Sometimes, the word exclusive just isn't exclusive enough. And that's where Thunderbike steps in. Meet the Red Bullet, a custom masterpiece based on the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide, taken to an entirely new level. With a bold 23-inch front wheel and classic wire spokes, this bike doesn't just make an entrance, it owns the spotlight. When Harley-Davidson introduced custom vehicle operations, the legendary letters CVO quickly became a badge of prestige. CVO models are the pinnacle of Harley performance and innovation, often setting the standard for years to come. To this day, only the CVO Road Glide comes with a monstrous 121 cubic inch engine, that's 1,977 cubic centimeters of pure power, combined with advanced variable valve timing for optimal breathing in every riding condition. But there's always room for more. Given its exclusivity, we felt that the potential of the 19-inch front wheel had barely been tapped. The Road Glide has bagger jeans, and the front end is a bagger's calling card. A larger diameter wheel doesn't have to be ostentatious. The classic wire spoke wheels of the Road Glide are subtle enough. With 23 inches and wire spokes, you can only get that from us. Admittedly, our 23-inch project does not have a particularly large target group. This makes creating a coherent overall picture all the more challenging. You're seeing more than just a large front wheel here. Due to its exclusivity, we don't need to use flashy names. We simply refer to it in a technically sober way, the Speicher CVO front wheel conversion. Its dimensions are 23 inches in diameter and 4 inches in rim width. However, the package is far from complete. To restore the brake discs to the correct proportions, we also include our 340mm brake discs called Wave. And to ensure that the brake calipers mounted radially on them also fit, we supply the matching brake caliper adapters. Our lightweight GRP front fender for 23 inches is also suitable. The CVOs have the upside-down fork from racing technology anyway. But for handling, we also have our triple tree called Shark 4°23, which is adapted to the 23-inch wheel. Only with everything together does it roll properly. We kept the rear wheel original, but turned and reworked it in our milling machines to make it shine in bicolor. And the calling card of the front end gets its final apostrophe with our 35cm Atlas handlebars and the Atlas Riser Kit. Please note the hydraulic clutch that we have fitted to the CVO. This kit allows you to convert from a mechanical cable clutch to a clean, powerful hydraulic solution, and it comes with everything you need: new clutch linkage, slave cylinder, matching brake lever, and a cover for the master brake cylinder. The look? Two-tone black in an elegant contrast cut finish. In addition to the massive switch assembly, the hydraulic solution also requires its own hydraulic reservoir, which of course also comes from our Thunderbike forge. And it's not just in the case of the CVO that we consider the hydraulic clutch to be absolutely essential, because the factory-fitted Bowden cable clutch may have character, but it hardly conveys luxury. That only comes with our hydraulics. Do we even need to mention the Jekyll and Hyde system we've installed? You'll hear it, that's enough. And that sets the acoustic tone. The Road Glide CVO is exclusive. Our Red Bullet is even more exclusive. Only now is it exclusive enough. Thanks for watching.